Hi everyone, today is a very special day for me and I would like to show you a very special gift I got at the Boobies gathering a few days ago by the following next amazing friends. These are Alexander Ilea, Nikola Varenina, Carlos Javier Moreno, Gusztav Jantay, Johannes Knupfer, Ondrej Chlopcik, and Hlieb Mytko. I'm just double checking that I hope I didn't butcher anyone's name too much. And I got this amazing gift, very unique at the gathering, like I said a few days ago, and I'm gonna show you the unboxing video now. When I unboxed the thing, I actually had to take a break because it's such a unique gift, and I'm hiding it right now behind the tablet, and I'm gonna show you the build process next. So, how about that? I mean, I think you guys had a brilliant idea. Like, it's such a unique gift. I don't think I ever got such a personal, such a unique present, and it's my YouTube logo in Lego form, and it also works. You can spin the gears also here the engine goes in and out, this spins. It's just not just nice to look at it, it actually works. And I'm gonna put it on a very special place and proudly display it. And who knows, maybe I'm even gonna motorize it to make a small intro or something like that. And it just means so much to me because I've spent so much time with these friends and we had so many meetings and gatherings and we talk so much online and we help each other, and I'm really just so happy. So all I can say is just thank you. And yeah, have a good one and stay awesome. Bye bye.